Hello everyone, welcome to XINTONGSHI exclusive tour. Quick question, have you heard of XINTONGSHI? China automotive cooling expert. Today, let's explore our cutting-edge manufacturing hub. Founded in 2004, XINTONGSHI Group specialized in automotive thermal solutions for 21 years. From radiators to condensers, we serve cars, trunks, and construction machinery worldwide. First stop, radiator workshop. Our radiator workshop is divided into two major workshops, passenger car and the commercial car. Today, we will show you the passenger car workshop.
Our radiator covers from mini cars to heavy trunk, covering 44 series, more than 10,000 kinds of radiators, suitable for BMW, Mercedes-Benz, Audi, and other full range of models. Next, condenser workshop. Our condensers can withstand pressure of up to 88 kilograms, since they are equipped with microchannel tubes. More than 1,800 models meet needs from cold chain logistics to energy storage systems.
First stop, intercooler workshop. Our intercoolers are manufactured with fin tube that feature a flow-through window structure. The tanks are made of high-temperature resistant materials, which prevent the intercoolers from deforming or shrinking due to high temperatures.
Final stop, plastic tank workshop. 14 top-tier machines produce more than 400,000 units monthly. More than 1,000 molds fit more than 1,700 vehicles models for fast delivery.
Heaters and evaporators are made in our Jiangsu and Hunan base. Want a factory tour or customized solution? Contact us. See you next time. Bye bye.